不得了，Little Hlub, you're going down, dude. Some water. Come on, come on.
Call play, sir! Look at these guys, they're having a little battle with water. You know what the thing about having a remote is? I can do whatever I want. Check this out. Jumped out good. Dulu na, Pak. Yalla, look. Don't you worry. You like that? Let's do that again. Rewind. Super safe. You're on the look. Here we go. Play.哎，老总长，他挂上了，由我来提嘞。Hey, you know what's great about slow motion? You can see everything. Let's try that. Slow motion, here we go. Watch out! But you know what? This is the reality. And as you can see, I'm a worker here. This is not what I'm supposed to do. I wish I had a remote, but I don't. So, I'm going to lay down the law. I'll show you reality. Play. Con哪个急的这？con哪个急的这？跟我看哭，跟人家哭了。con哪个急的这？我揍你快点做！东北人急，东北人急，啊！老子八个绳子，都老子八个绳，老子八个绳子呢。哦。
Okay, for real now, okay? This is the reality either. I'm gonna play. Hey, 那你帮我讲。哦，这是你们不讲了。知道？你给我背了。哦。我这样，这你不讲，过来，你们都没有了，你这就过来啊。这是，过来。哦，这是。
So Wheaton wants us to, we can go and hang out right around the fountain, that's fine, but some of us are actually getting in there and jumping around, okay? So Wheaton wants us to stop doing that not because it's not fun, they don't want us to have fun, but it's because they don't want anyone to get hurt, okay? So we need to stop doing that or we won't have any more water fountains.